Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai staged a dramatic protest outside his Coimbatore home, flogging himself and vowing to go barefoot for 48 days. The protest was in response to a sexual harassment case at Anna University, where he accused the DMK government of shielding the accused, allegedly a party member, and misusing the victim's FIR to tarnish her reputation. Annamalai criticized the handling of the case, questioning police apathy and the broader decline in women's safety. He linked the protest to his time as a police officer, recalling a rape case that profoundly impacted him. By going barefoot, Annamalai said he was taking a stand against injustice and vowed to intensify the BJP's fight against the ruling DMK, the Dravida Munnetra Kadagam. Out of respect for former PM Manmohan Singh, all other protests were postponed.